guess you're a ruthless agent trained to kill no matter the situation.
No, Max, really, I'm pregnant.
Well, 99, I need to call the chief. There seems to be a lot of static. Must be the steel toe. May I borrow your shoe phone, 99?
Yeah.
Thank you. That hurt. Right in my eardrum.
Why don't you just use my cell phone?
I suppose. Chief, this is Max.
Max, you need to meet with intelligence for debriefing.
I'm keeping my underwear on. Let's go. Hi, Chief.
99. Great disguise. I need to speak to Max alone.
Chief, I demand the cone of silence.
Max, that never works.
It's in the manual. Thank you. Can you hear me now?
What? What?
Can you hear me now?
What?
Good. I'm not sure they're working. Can you hear me now? Sorry about that, Chief. I thought it might work.
Let's just do away with these.
On the other hand, I could have been wrong.
Anyway, I need you to go undercover to make sure that people at DCI are using their PPE properly. On our last assessment, we missed our goals.
Missed it by that much.
The importance of this project means that I can't rely on electronic surveillance. I need someone intelligent, and since all of our other agents are out on assignment, I've turned to you. You'll need to go undercover. Not even 99 will know that you're out on this. You'll be facing danger at every turn.
And loving it.
You can't do anything that might clue people in that you're Maxwell Smart. Let me have your water bottle. Your keys. Your undercover name is going to be Chris Hansen.
Like the NBC show guy who always catches the predator the first time they've ever done it.
It always works on TV, even for guys who've seen the show.
Chief, how about Fang being a great undercover dog for this project?
I don't think so, Max.
Just look at him going undercover as a bunny on this assignment last year. No one could tell. Sorry, Fang. Missed it by this much.
Remember, PPE is important. We have to make sure that all Dial employees get smart.
No, Hansen.
I want you to go see our gadget and weapons expert, the Craw.
The Craw? I thought he worked for Chaos.
No, there was a downsizing at Chaos, and his job was eliminated, so we picked him up. HR sent up his application. Terrorism and spying are the same all over, so we hired him.
Later, Chief. Don't tell me this door opens in.
That door opens in.
I asked you not to tell me that. Hello, Craw.
Well, hello, Max.
Nice to see you again.
Good to see you.
Say, didn't you used to have a bit of an accent?
That was acting. That was the only way I could get a job back in the 60s.
Ah.
Sit down, Max. I work on your disguise. For this assignment, we can't use electronic surveillance. We need a Homo sapiens.
I'm as normal as you are.
Oh, this won't hurt a bit.
Craw, I'm not really comfortable with this.
Max, you need to be more open to today's diversity climate.
It's not that. This thong is killing me.
Okay, let's try invisibility instead.
Hey, this invisibility thing works great! Good. This employee is using proper eye protection while pouring liquids. Remember, goggles or face shields with safety glasses underneath are the default requirement when in the Dial laboratory areas. Safety glasses, even with side shields, are not a substitute. This is dial policy in the lab areas unless there is a written exemption approved by the safety director for the specific area or task. For example, in this laboratory, employees have the exemption to wear approved safety glasses instead of goggles or face shields for specified tasks, such as weighing small amounts of consumer product samples, unless someone in the immediate vicinity is working with chemicals. For these approved, exempted tasks, side shields on safety glasses are not addressed. Because if there's a chance of such side shields being of value, then the task requires goggles or face shield protection. These employees also have specific written exemptions for some of their equipment. For example, goggles or face shields are required when filling the HPLC reservoirs, and for HPLC waste solvent disposal. But approved safety glasses are permitted in routine operation of the HPLC. Safety glasses are required for passing through laboratories, pilot plants, and the warehouse. With protective gloves, be sure to consult the chemical MSDS and the glove rating. Some disposable gloves are not rated for exposure to certain chemicals and solvents, so choose the appropriate type of gloves. Protective toe shoes must be worn when changing gas cylinders, working with heavy loads, moving drums, running pilot plant equipment, or operating the forklift. Shoes for the laboratory must also be slip resistant and chemical resistant, such as leather, as opposed to porous canvas. Raw enzyme handling must be done in an exhaust hood or an approved respirator must be used, and the operator requires prior respirator training and medical surveillance. Certain tasks may require full protection suits and face shields. This is Jessica and Dana. Would you believe it? I'll switch back to being visible and report to the chief.
Great job. You showed that when it comes to safety and PPE, everyone needs to be smart.
No! Hansen! On the other hand, I could have been wrong. On the other hand, I could have been right. But on the other hand, I don't know.
Max, how many hands do you have?
Exit stage right.
Oh, the Wicked Witch.
Not so long ago.
Have you heard from the lion lately?
No, By the way, 99, what's your real name?
Brenda Final.
You mean all these years we've been smart and final? I suppose it could have been worse. We could have been Sam and Club. That's the second biggest funnel I've ever seen.
Or Wall and Mart.
Tar and J.
Jim Co.
Chief, a new cone of silence. And guess what? It's made of glass. Sustainability. Touché, pussycat. I feel free. This is the second biggest test tube I've ever seen.